Want to make those eye-catching, trending captions that are blowing up on Instagram Reels?
We work on videos probably 3 to 4 months in advance, but before that, like they're still in ideation where we brainstorm what they are for a month or two. So from start to when they get uploaded, it's probably like 1 to 2 months.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create these stylish captions step by step in Capcut. Let's get started. First, open Capcut and import your video clip. If you'd like to practice along with me, you can download the same clip from my WhatsApp channel. Next, navigate to the Auto Captions tab. Select the appropriate language for your captions and click Generate. Capcut will automatically create captions for your video. Once the captions are generated, review them. You'll notice that some captions might be too long, which doesn't work well for this style. Let's make them more concise. On the left-hand side of the text editing area, click on the Captions Options button. All the captions will appear as editable text layers. Select the specific text you want to split. Move your cursor to the spot where you want to break the text, then press Enter to split it into a new layer. Now adjust the text layers by extending or shortening them as needed for better readability. Adjust the text like this next to each other, giving them different positions. To make the text visually appealing, experiment with fonts, colors, and glow effects to match the vibe of your video. Use a combination of 2 or 3 fonts, mixing bold and italic styles to add Now, let's bring your captions to life with animations. Select a text layer and go to the In Animation tab. Choose transitions that suit your video style. If you're unsure, feel free to use the ones I'm applying in this tutorial. Remember, you can tweak fonts or colors during the step if something feels off. Adjust the positioning and timing of each layer to sync perfectly with your video. And that's it. Your viral text captions are now ready to go. With these techniques, you'll have captions that not only look professional, but also grab attention on Instagram Reels. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more editing tips. Don't forget to follow me on my socials for guidance or assistance with any editing work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.